Hey, what's up everyone, this is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's certified pre-owned. It has a selenite gray metallic exterior. Under the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. Inside we've got a black MB Tex interior, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a fresh set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, coming alongside here. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you the blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, anthracite poplar wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheels. Our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Also comes with smartphone integration, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Pedal shifters for extra performance. Navigation. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera. We've got our hard keys for our radio, heated seats, dual climate controls, our command center for our infotainment center, and we've got our dynamic selects for different driving patterns. And we've got 28,212 miles on it. For more photos of this GLE, check out feldmanimports.com.